12 double crochets. Here's my first 8, and here we start the second group of 8. So 4 doubles, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, and 8 doubles. So we start this row together. I already made my turning chain, and now 4 double crochets in a row. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. You make your chain 1, we skip 1 stitch and 8 double crochets in a row. So every stitch 1 double crochet, skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the next. Your 8th double crochet will be in the chain 1 space that makes 8 in a row. It's number 4 double, it's number 5th, it's number 6, it's number 7, and number 8 in the chain 1 space. Make 1 chain and continue with the row, and continue with your 4 4 4 with a chain 1 in space between them, and here you start and end with 2 doubles in the last or in the first. The rest you take up as they come, up until you have here 12 doubles, and go on up till you have 8 with a chain 1 space each side, up until you have 5 rows with 8 double crochets in a row, like here. 1 2 3 4 5 rows. Here you should have 5 rows, and then we continue with the next section. There will be a wide row of 12 doubles split by a chain 1. Well, I crocheted my 5 rows with 8 double crochets with a chain 1 spacing them. Now we start off with here 5 by 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 by 4 doubles, and the first and the last 4 you do not count. Here I have now 12 doubles before the chain 1, and you crochet on up until you have 4 more, so that will be 16 doubles in a row. Then we're splitting up like with 12 double crochets, so in the row after you split 4 and then chain 1 and then 12 doubles. Now 16 doubles in a row, and the row after you split it up, and that 5 times like here, but then with 12 doubles. That is probably the last section. I need to see how far I come with my skein, but then when it's enough we'll go finish the edge. And for now you make your 16 double crochets and split it up with section for the 12, and then continue with 5 rows in total of 12 doubles. So from chain 1 up till the beginning I will make sure I have 16, and then we'll start together. Here I have my 16 double crochets in a row between the chain 1 space. Now we start with the row with the splitting up, 4 doubles in a row, chain 1, and then 12 doubles. That will be my first split up for this section. So I already made my chain 1. I've turned my work. Here's my chain 1 space. We start here, 4 doubles, and then the chain 1, and then 12 doubles in a row, included double in chain 1. So it will be the repeating part as the first 2 parts, only now 12 doubles. Let's get started. I already made my chain 1. To turn my work, in the first stitch I make my first double plus 3 doubles after each other. It's number 2. It's number 3 and number 4. Now I make my chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and in the next I will start with my first double from the 4 to 12 doubles I need to make. So this is number 2. So it will be a repeating issue for this section, like the 8 and the 4 doubles in a row, only now you make 12 doubles in a row. If you have a bigger skein that I have a 1000 meter skein. If you have, for example, 1500 meter or whatever size, please do continue like this, and please do see out for the fact that you need to make a little border around it, or you don't. It's totally up to you. I like a little border around it just to give it a nice touch. Here's my 12th in the chain 1 space, and chain 1 and 8 doubles in a row, because now I'm back at the line of 8 doubles. So it is exactly the same as the first two parts, only now you start with 12 doubles, and now you need to go continuing up until you have 16 in the beginning, and then you split up again like 4 chain 1 and then 12 doubles, chain 1, and so on. So here's my number 8. It's number 8. So here I've got my 4 doubles, a chain 1, and skip 1 stitch, 12 doubles, chain 1, and continue with the row. So keep on going up until you have here 16 doubles, and then you split up again like this. So 4 doubles, chain 1, and 12 doubles.